Hi everyone. Today we will implement health and damage in our game. But before we will start with it, let's fix small bugs from previous videos. So first of all, when we will attack our enemy, when I go or run forward to enemy, everything is correct. But as you can see, when I would like to cancel my attack, player still attacking. And the second thing, that if I will click on my enemy, now it's actually works, but sometimes it doesn't. That my player is not always forward. Yes, like this. My player is not always look at my enemy. So let's fix this. We will start with the fixing of this bug when player doesn't look at enemy. So that is very simple. Go to our fight script, and inside our combat behavior, let's just implement transform dot look at, and like a parameter we will take a target. So now our player automatically will look at our target during attack. And the second thing, the second bug with the stopping of our with the canceling our attack, we will solve through animation. So go to animator, and let's create another trigger parameter here, which we will call stop attack. And let's create another transition from attack to movement. Let's choose this, and now we need to choose this another the second one, transition, and we should uncheck this has exit time, and like a condition I will choose here stop attack. Perfect. So now let's save this and go back to our scripts, and I need to create a new method, stop attack. Like this. And inside this method I will reset a trigger for attack animation, and I will set a trigger for stop attack animation. So get component animator reset trigger attack, and the second thing here is I have a mistake here, like this, and the second thing will be get component animator set trigger stop attack. And now I should call this method in our cancel method. So just stop attack like this. So let's save this. Let's go back to Unity to check if it works. So now I will go to our enemy, I attack, and if I would like to click somewhere else, yeah, my player is he stopped attack our enemy anytime. Perfect. And as you could see, I think this facing to our enemies works pretty good as well. I think he's always tries to look at our enemy. Perfect. And now let's implement the health and damage in our game. First of all, let's create a new mono behavior script health. I'll put it in a namespace. Like this, and also I will add this health script to our character prefab, so both enemy and our player will have it. And inside our health script, uh, we will create a float variable health, which will be serialized. We will set it like 100 for now. Uh, and also we will create here a method take a damage which will take a damage. So public void take damage, like a parameter we will take a float damage. And inside our take damage method, we will set our health, which is equal to ma max health minus damage or 0. That means that in case when our health will be positive, will be greater than 0, we will use this number, this float, and when it will be, or it should be like below 0, we will just set as 0, that let us don't go in negative numbers. And also just for checking if everything works, I will put here right now print health. We will delete it later, but this is just for checking if everything is if everything works like that should be. Now let's go to fight script, where we will create a reference to a health component. So health component uh, component like this, and also we will create a new serialized field float fight damage, which I will set like 10 just for now. And as I said before, we created this hit event in our animation, and I said that this could be very useful for future, for triggering different events, for settings particle effects, and also actually this is useful for our attacking. So I will just put it higher like this, and inside our hit event we will set a reference to health component of our target. So health component is equal to target dot get component health, and we will call attack take damage method on our health component dot take damage, and like a parameter we will set this fight damage. So now when our player will hit our enemy, and when this hit event will happen, we will take a damage to our enemy, and in our console we could see amount of health of our enemy in a console. So let's check this. We will start with 100 health points for both for player and for enemy. For now, our enemy couldn't do any damage to us, so we will just check health of our enemy. So let's attack him. Yes, and we set the damage by 10. So as you could see, this health of our enemy is decreasing by 10, and when it's 0, it doesn't go below 0 and stay 0. Perfect. So in the next video we will create a die method and a die animation for our enemies, and that's all for today. So see you in the next video.